we can now use that new NPC state enum to control our NPCs a bit more. To do this, we need to add some code that will change the appearance of our NPCs depending on their state. So from the asset browser, open up your parent NPC object, that's obj par NPC, and go to its step event. Now previously we had written this code block here called random loop timing, where we set an alarm between a random range so that when the idle animation of the NPC was playing, it wouldn't just always loop at the exact same moment. It would give it a little bit more life. Now, we're going to keep this, but we need to add a bunch of more functionality here. So I'm actually going to paste in a code block that includes this, but does a few more things. So to do this, I'm going to actually delete this entire code block and paste in a new one, and then explain it. So our random loop timing code block is right here. It hasn't changed or gone anywhere. But what we've created instead is a switch function to look for that variable myState. And we created that variable in the variable definitions for the parent object. So there are two cases here, NPC state.normal, which just does that random loop timing code block exactly the same as before, and a new case called NPC state.done. And what this does, it says, if we have set done sprite, which was that new variable definition, if it's set to anything other than no one, and if we are not currently displaying that sprite, then change the sprite for the NPC to that sprite. So if we are marked as done, change me to that done sprite, and it'll just play that animation instead. Make sure to keep this depth sorting code block because we still need that.